ball. Whee! Come over here. Come over here. You want to catch? Put your hands like this. Ready? Whee! Big throw.
Big throw?
Big throw.
Apple.
Are you saying apple?
Can you turn that off, babe? Good girl. Whoa! Run and get the ball, eh?
Run and get
Run.
the ball. Running. Have you throw the ball to Daddy? Wow!
Oh, the baby. Pushing the baby. Hi, baby girl. What do you have there? Oh, the ball and the baby. Huh? There's lots of obstacles, eh? We've got toys everywhere.
Let's throw the ball. Throw the ball to Daddy. Throw the ball to Daddy, Az. Wow! Yippee! Clapping. Here's the ball. Throw the ball. Oh, lefty. Put your hands like this. Whoa! Here, bud. Throw the ball.
You want to throw it to Mummy, eh? To Daddy. Whoa!
Gonna go and get the ball?
Wow!
Run and get the ball. Run and get the ball. Run and get the ball.
Where'd it go, Avery? Where's the ball? Here it goes. Uh-oh. You can get it. It's on the other side of the chair. Good girl.
Can you throw the ball to Daddy? Good running. Good running. Throw.